Hello friends. In this comprehensive video lecture, we will explore the crucial role of nutrition in achieving peak performance in sports. So let's get started. Topic: Sports and nutrition. One concept of balanced diet and nutrition. To macro and micronutrients, food sources and functions. Three nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. 4. Eating for weight control, a healthy weight, the pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance, and food myths. 5. Importance of diet in sports. Pre, during and post competition requirements. Sports and nutrition. Concept of balanced diet and nutrition. Balanced diet. A diet that provides all essential nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water in the right proportions to maintain health and support daily activities. Factors influencing a balanced diet: age, gender, activity level, medical conditions, and individual dietary preferences. Nutrition. The process of consuming, absorbing, and using nutrients for growth, energy, and maintenance of body functions. Nutrients. The energetic food in our diet consists of various types of essential chemicals for our body termed as nutrients. Example: protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Nutrients are classified into two subcategories: macro and micronutrients. 1. Macronutrients. Required in larger amounts. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy, spare protein to complete the demand of body. Sources: rice, wheat, bread, potatoes, fruits. Proteins. Essential for growth and repair of tissues, protein as carrier source, energy-giving function. Sources: meat, fish, eggs, dairy, pulses. Fats. Energy source and aids in vitamin absorption, insulation, and padding of organs. Sources: butter, oils, nuts, seeds, avocados. Water. Function: maintains hydration, regulates body temperature, and facilitates metabolic processes. Sources: drinking water, fruits, vegetables. Micronutrients. Required in smaller amounts, vitamins and their sources. Vitamin A: carrots, spinach, liver. Vitamin B complex. Whole grains, eggs and dairy products. Vitamin C: citrus fruits, berries and tomatoes. Vitamin D: sunlight, fish, fortified milk. Vitamin E: green leafy vegetables, soya bean, nuts and seeds. Vitamin K: green leafy vegetables and cabbage. Functions: support immune function, vision, bone health, and energy production. Vitamins: regulate body processes. Minerals: calcium, milk, cheese, leafy greens. Iron: spinach, red meat, beans. Zinc: nuts, seeds, whole grains. Iodine: seafood, bread, dairy products, and iodized salt. Potassium: meat, milk, fresh fruits, whole grains, and pulses. Sodium: soya sauce, unprocessed meats, and green leafy vegetables. Phosphorus: eggs, milk, and fish. Magnesium: pulses, seafood, nuts, and seeds. Sulfur: fish, milk, egg, and nuts. Functions: bone strength, oxygen transport, iron, and enzyme function. Nutritive components of diet. Nutritive components are the essential nutrients in food that provide energy and are required for growth, development, and maintaining bodily functions. These include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, Water. Vitamins. Function. Regulate body processes and prevent deficiencies. Fat-soluble vitamins. A, D, E, and K, water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex and vitamin C, disease due to deficiency. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin E, nerve disorder, anemia. Vitamin K, blood clotting. To non-nutritive components of diet. Non-nutritive components do not provide energy or nutrients but are essential for maintaining overall health and enhancing the flavor or quality of the diet. These include a dietary fiber. Function. Promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Sources. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. B. Water. Function. Vital for hydration, temperature regulation, and toxin removal. Sources. Pure water, fruits, and beverages. C. Antioxidants. Function. Protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Sources. Berries, nuts, green tea, and dark chocolate. D. Preservatives and additives. Function. Enhance the flavor, appearance, and shelf life of food. Examples. Artificial sweeteners, flavoring agents, and stabilizers. Eve colors and flavors. Function. Improve the visual appeal and taste of food. Sources. Natural or artificial, example synthetic food dyes. Importance of a balanced diet. A diet that includes both nutritive and non-nutritive components is essential for optimal physical and mental performance, preventing malnutrition and diseases, maintaining overall health and well-being. By balancing these components, individuals can meet their dietary and energy needs effectively. Eating for weight control. A. Healthy weight. Understanding BMI, body mass index, and its relevance. Importance of maintaining an ideal weight for health and fitness. Risks associated with being underweight or overweight. Role of balanced diet and physical activity in weight management. B. The pitfalls of dieting, harmful effects of fad diets or extreme dieting. Nutritional deficiencies. Impact on metabolism and muscle loss. The importance of sustainable and healthy eating habits. Understanding caloric balance. Food intolerance. Food intolerance refers to the inability of the digestive system to properly digest certain food or ingredients. It is a non-allergic hypersensitivity to certain foods, which can cause discomfort or symptoms after eating those foods. Causes. Lack of specific enzymes required for digestion, example. Lactase deficiency causing lactose intolerance. Sensitivity to food additives. Natural chemicals in foods, example. Caffeine in coffee. Difficulty in digesting certain proteins, examples. Gluten in wheat, barley, and rye. Symptoms. Bloating, gas, diarrhea or constipation, abdominal pain, nausea, headaches or migraines, in some cases, management. Identifying and avoiding the problematic food. Using enzyme supplements, example, lactase supplements for lactose intolerance. Consulting a nutritionist for a balanced diet. Food myths. 1. Sweets are not good for health. 2. Do not take in greasy meals. 3. Don't take heavy breakfast. 4. Potatoes increase obesity. 5. Eating sweets cause diabetes. 6. Do not drink water during meals. 7. Dieting reduce weight. 8. Non-veg. Food is compulsory for protein. Importance of diet in sports. A. Pre-competition requirements. Importance of carbohydrate loading for endurance events. Recommended pre-event meals: light, high-carb, low-fat, and easy to digest. Timing of meals before the event. B. During competition. Maintaining hydration and electrolyte balance. Importance of quick energy sources, example, sports drinks, gels, or bananas. Avoiding heavy or hard to digest foods during activities. C. Post-competition requirements. Role of recovery meals in restoring glycogen and repairing muscle tissue. Importance of protein and carbohydrates post-exercise. Rehydration strategies. These topics are crucial for understanding the role of diet and nutrition in maintaining overall health and enhancing athletic performance, as per the CBSE Physical Education syllabus. Let me know if you need further clarification or resources. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experiences or thoughts about physical education, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out more videos on related topics. We will catch you in the next one. Have a nice day.